In this quick video, we are going to see how can we create our own custom lists in Microsoft Excel. So it's a very simple step. Let's dive right into it. This is a list of fruits that I like and I want to create a list out of it. Now there are a few lists that are already supported by Microsoft Excel, but this list I want to add. So what can I do is, first of all, you need to write all the elements of the lists as the cells, one beside the other or one above the other in a horizontal fashion or in a vertical fashion, right? Then you can go to this file tab. Here click on options. In the options you gotta select this advanced, and now you gotta search for the general category. Okay, so this is general. In this general we have this option of edit custom lists. So let's just click on this option. Now there are two different ways through which we can add a new list. First of all, make sure that from this custom lists option, new list is selected. Then either you can just type in the entries or you can import them from the cells. Since we have already written everything into the cells, so we are just going to import it from the cells. So just click on this kind of an option. First of all, click the first cell. Then you can see that this dialog box has the contents of the first cell, or actually the address of the first cell. Then put a colon and then select the last cell or the value which you want to be the end of the list. Then again click on this kind of a option, click on import, and that's it. You can see apple, banana, mango, strawberry is now a part of the list. You can click on OK. So now this would be a predefined list in Microsoft Excel. You can use it anytime you want. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.